Hi everyone, and welcome back to Crochet Beginner. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the tools that I use to crochet. So let's begin. Right here I have I have a kit that I got on I believe it was Amazon, and it gives you several different types of um, crochet hooks and also other accessories to go with crocheting. And this is another little kit that I got um, for Christmas, and it's pretty much all crochet hooks. Um, these these here, right there, they're for like smaller projects, and then the other side is for thicker yarn. Speaking of yarn, this is the yarn that I use, the Premier Basic yarn. Premier has their own website, so you can go on there and take a look at it. They have several different colors, and I use uh, the number 4 worsted yarn, and it's all acrylic. So that's what I use to do my projects. Now, also here you're going to see the different types of hooks. I like these kind of hooks here because they grip better. Um, and the ones with no rubber on them, they tend to slip through my hands because my hands get sweaty. So these here are really good. And then you're going to need scissors. Okay, and there's 2 types of scissors I have there. And then these little gadgets are what they're called stitch markers. So as you're going along, and if the pattern requires a stitch marker, you'll go ahead and put it in. And I'll demonstrate that in later videos. Here you have a tape measure, because you want to measure the length of your project, so you don't go over or under what the pattern might call for. And then this little thing here is called a tapestry needle, and that's for like when you're at the end of your crocheting at the end of your project, you kind of tuck the yarn in. So you put the yarn in like you would like you were sewing, and then you just go through the yarn, the little stitches on the yarn, and pull the yarn through. And that's about it. So that's basically what I use for my crocheting, and it's good for crochet beginner. Um, there are all different types of hooks. Also, there's wooden hooks that are more of the excuse me, more of the experienced crocheter. I'm just using these for now, and as I go along, I will share with you the projects that I'm doing and to see if I'm progressing in crocheting. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. And then in the next video, I'm going to be talking about um, how to hold the yarn and how to hold the crochet hook. Also, with the yarn, let me go ahead and mention that I also use Yarn Inspirations, and that's another website that I use to get yarn and supplies. And you can also go on Amazon, and Amazon has a whole array of different types of different types of yarn and tools that you could use. All right, well, that's it for today, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. And you all have a great day, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and if you want to leave any comments. Have a good one. Thank you.